Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to school. Hope you had a good Martin Luther King Day. So I'm going to make a few videos in each section. So the first section is going to be geometry. So if you don't need help with the geometry, I know it's been seems like a year since we've done it, but I'm going to go through each section. You can watch the videos if you need to. I'm going to kind of talk fast, but you are more than welcome to rewatch them if you need to. So let's look at question 1. It says, match the type of transformation that will be required to move the original figure to each of the figures 1 through 3. Write the number of the figure next to the appropriate transformation. So we're looking at translation, reflection, rotation. So let's look at our first one here. And if you're looking from the original to the first, we kind of see that we turned that shape, right? We turned our original shape to about 90 degrees. So if you're thinking about turning and what that means, I'm hoping you're saying, oh, that's like a rotation. So 1 is a rotation. Now let's look at 2. If you're looking at 2 from the original, if you can see that, it doesn't look like we did anything but slide the original shape across a blank space, right? So if we're sliding, that is a translation, when you just slide an original shape. And then now let's look at 3, right? We can kind of think about if we put a mirror like right in between these two shapes right now, it's going to reflect like a mirror on both sides. So reflection would be number 3. All right, let's keep going. Number 2, use triangles shown on the coordinate grid, so ABC, to complete part A. So it says reflect triangle ABC across the x-axis. So we're crossing it here, not the y-axis. So your new shape should not come over in this space here, right? We're reflecting it across the x-axis. And then translate it 4 units to the right. Right, 4 units to form your new A prime, B prime, C prime triangle. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do our reflection first. And if you remember reflection, you start at the x-axis because that's what we're reflecting across, and just count up how many points are away from the x-axis. So let's do B. B is 1, 2 away from the x-axis. So we'll go down 1, 2 away from the x-axis to reflect it. So our new B is here. Let's do C, as C is also 1, 2 away, so we'll drop down 1, 2 to reflect it across that x-axis. So there's C. Let's go ahead and do A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we'll drop down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's your new A. However, we are not quite done because we still need to do our translation 4 units to the right. So I'll change my color really fast. And let's do green. And so 4 units to the right, we're just going to grab each point and jump 4 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Our new B falls right on top of our old C. So there's our B prime. C will be 4 units to the right as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's C prime. I'll put my primes. Let me do that. And then let's also do A. 1, 2, 3, 4. A prime goes here, and you have your new shape. Awesome, let's keep going. So your final shape would be this green one. All right, 3, a dilation has a center of 0, 0, and a scale factor of 2. Okay, so a scale factor, whatever your scale factor is, you're going to multiply it to your point that's given. So what is the image of the point to -4? So all we do for these, y'all, is we're going to take our x, which is 2, and multiply it. So let's do parentheses because we're doing multiplication in parentheses now. Multiply it to the scale factor, which is 2. So 2 times 4 or 2 times 2 will be 4. So our new x is 4. Let's do our y as well. So y is -4, and we'll multiply that to the scale factor, which is 2. And that's going to give us -8. So our new y is -8. And once you have your new point, y'all, that's your answer. So our new answer is simply 4, -8. Let's keep going. I might run out of time for 4 and 5, but find the measure of the following angles. So A, so if you have to think about vertical angles, A is the exact same as the angle right across from it. So that would be 55. B would also be the right across, so that's going to be 65. And then you can quickly find what C is, because those are all